So good day mga ka-wonderful. So today, since miss ko mag-vlog, I'll be teaching you about patterns and sequence. Now, can you guess what's the next number here? Okay, very good. It is 16. So what's the pattern? By adding 2. Very good. How about this one? We have here 10, 9, 8, 7. What's next? Very good. It's 6. Now the pattern here is to decrease by 1. Now, can you guess the missing number? We have here 5, 10, 15, 20. What's the missing number? Very good. It is 30. Next, we have here 3, 6, 9, 12. Can you guess what is the next pattern? Very good. It is 21. How about this one? We have 3, 4, 6, 9, 13, 18. What's the next pattern? Very good. It is 24. Next, we have here 3, 6, 12, 24, and 48. What's the next pattern? Very good. It is 96 because we multiply it by 2. Okay, that is the pattern. Next, we have here 39, 37, 35, and 33. Can you guess the next pattern? Very good. It is 31. Now the pattern is decrease by 2. Next, we have here 20, 18, 19, 17, 18. Can you guess the next pattern? Very good. It is 16 because of the pattern alternate. Now, let's proceed with the discussion of pattern. So, if we say pattern, meaning sa Tagalog ay meron lang tayong sinusundan or pinagagayahan. So, katulad nito. We have the first or 1 dot. We have 3 balls or 3 dots. Now, for the next pattern, we have 6. For the next is we have 4, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So as you can see, meron po tayong pinagagayahan. That's why we can get the next pattern, which is, for its definition, it is the number of shapes or objects that are arranged according to a rule. Which is yung mga rule natin doon, yung mga decrease by 2, decrease by 1, multiply by 2, and so on. Just like this example, we have 1, 3, 9, 27, 81. So our pattern here is to multiply by 3 because 1 times 3, the next is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3, it is 27. And 27 times 3, it is 81. And that is the rule na sinusundan natin. Now, let's proceed with the word sequence. So, pag sinabi po natin sequence, meaning we have the arrangement or the order. Okay? Ano yung pagkakasunod-sunod? Okay? Now, we have 2 kinds of sequence. The first one is the infinite, and the second one is the finite, or tinatawag nilang finite. Pero, the correct pronunciation for this word is finite. Now, paano po natin malalaman if it's infinite or finite? Now, as you can see sa infinite, may makikita kayong 3 dots na susunod. It symbolizes infinity or infinity. Okay? While sa finite, as in the given numbers are there, there's no 3 dots na makikita. Okay? So that's the difference, or that is the difference between infinite and finite. So next naman natin is what we call the term. So pag sinabi po nating term, it is what we call the value in the sequence. Okay? So just like this, we have the sequence 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now the term here is the 5 is the first term, 6 is the second term, second or third term is the 7, fourth term is 8, and the fifth term is 9. So those are the terms. And also term can be a letter, which is can be N, can be A, can be C, can be B, or any letters, okay? Now, let's proceed with the series. So si series naman po, ito lang po ay pinag-add lang natin lahat ng ating sequence. So for example, this one, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, we have here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ito yung ating sequence. Now, if we add this all, si 35 is what we call our series, which is the sum of the terms of a sequence. Now, let's have here the example number 1. Find the first 5 terms of the sequence whose nth term is a sub n equals to 5n minus 3. Now, sinasabi lang po dito, kailangan po natin ibigay yung 5 terms ng sequence given daw po yung a sub n equals 5n minus 3. Now, to compute for that, simply, we should have the domain or yung tinatawag nating pang-substitute sa value. Okay? So we have here the 1 for the first term, 2 for the second term, 3 for the third term, 4 for the fourth term, and 5 for the fifth term. Since ang hinanap natin ay first 5 terms. Now, to solve for that, for the a sub 1, so palitan na natin yung n ng 1. Also doon sa 5n, palitan na natin ng 1. Then let's compute. Now, 5 times 1, it is 5. Minus 3, it is 2. Okay? Now, for the second term, again, palitan lang ulit yung n. Gawin lang tong 2. Since we're looking for the second term, 5 times 2, it's equal to 10. Minus 3 is equal to 7. Meaning, ang ating second term ay 7. Now, still, we're looking for the third, fourth, and fifth term. Kasi nga po, 5 yung hinahanap natin. Now, for the third term, again, palitan lang ulit yung n ng 3. Dito din sa 5n, which is we have 5 times 3, 15, minus 3, it's equal to 12. So that is the third term. Now, for the fourth term, same. Substitute the value of n, which is yung 4 na, kasi pang fourth term na to. So 5 times 4, which is 20, minus 3, which is 17. And last one, for the fifth term, palitan lang ulit yung n ng 5. 5 times 5, 25, minus 3 is equal to 22. So ibig sabihin po, the first 5 terms of the sequence of a sub n is equal to 5n minus 3 is 2, 7, 12, 17, and 22. So as you can see, meron tayo dito makikitang pattern. We just add 5. So 2 plus 5, which is 7. 7 plus 5, which is 12. 12 plus 5, which is 17. And 17 plus 5, it is equal to 22. Now, example number 2. Find the 8th term of the sequence whose nth term is a sub n is equal to n plus n over 2. Now, sinasabi po dito, hinahanap lang po dito ay yung pang-8 or pang-8 term. So, ibig sabihin po, ang ibibigay lang natin ditong value ay isa lang. Yung pang-8 term lang. Sa una po natin example, ang hinahanap ay first 5 terms. That's why ang binigay natin ay 5. Dito po ang hinahanap lang ay yung pang-8. Now, to solve for this, ganun lang din po ang gagawin natin. A sub n equals, copy lang muna natin yung given, n plus n over 2. Now, what we need to do is to substitute the value ng hinahanap natin, which is a sub 8. Palitan na natin yung n ng 8. Lahat po ng n papalitan natin ng 8. Of course, gamitan po natin siya ng GEMDAS. Unahin muna natin yung division. We have here a sub 8. Unahin muna natin to. So we have here 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2, it is 4. Now, yung ating pang a sub 8, add na po natin. 8 plus 4. Very good, it is 12. So, ibig sabihin po ang ating pang 8 term, given this sequence or the nth term of this sequence is 12. Ayan. So, follow po for more videos about sequence. Thank you very much for listening and see you again soon. Wonderful. Thank you.